Well, with me right now is Leslie Gabola of Adapt-2-It, and along with her today is Olivia Kane from Lotus Bidets. And I know you know Leslie. You might know Olivia because she's been on our show a few times. Nice to see you both.
Thank you. Thank you for inviting us.
Yeah, and obviously, Leslie, this is a product that you offer at Adapt-2-It,
Yes.
right?
It is one of our newer products, and we're really excited to welcome Olivia to the Adapt-2-It family. She feels special. We've had several companies come in and they didn't stay, and Olivia came in with her bidet, and we loved her and her company. And the product is an excellent product, has some neat features in it that are not found in other bidets. So I'm going to give it to Olivia and let her kind of explain what she is.
Thank you, Leslie. Thank you, Adapt-2. It's our honor to have the chance to work with Adapt-2 because we are personal hygiene items and perfectly fit into like healthcare industry.
Right, yeah, and we got a video that we're going to kind of show during while we're talking here. And this offers, depending on the model you want, all kinds of different features, right?
Exactly, because this like Lotus Smart Bidet were manufactured with built-in features. These features include warm water wash, warm air dry, massage, deodorizing, and also pure stream, which is the special one because this is a special technology with the patented technology. So this is release constipation. For people who ever suffer from this issue or hemorrhoids, this is a big helper.
Now, is this the whole unit, the toilet unit, or just the toilet top?
It's just the toilet top, the
seat
and the cover, exactly.
Okay, so this can be fitted on depending. I mean, nowadays you have different configurations. So
right, it's fit most of the toilets in the market, elongate or round shape. We have a different shape to fit in.
So that means you don't have to have a plumber come in and take the toilet out?
Yeah, basically it's just the DIY. You just remove the seat and the cover. So you don't really need technician, but if you, we can offer certain area, like Leslie offer her customer, we can provide free installations.
Okay.
So, Laguna Woods.
Yeah, and I asked this question before we got on. Obviously, this has to have some electrical source, right?
Yes. If you have a power light out right there, we can offer extension cord, or we can open up an outlet. So that's detail we can talk,
Okay, very good. Now, as far as choosing the different models, because you were telling me there's models. Like 3 or 4, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
We total have 6 different models, but it's you can divide it into 2 big categories. One as the regular toilets, just the wash, clean, and another model we call Pure Stream, which is the model equipped with the constipation relief function. This is a really benefit so many people, especially for seniors. It doesn't matter which age, whoever suffer from this issue, this is effectively release the problem in a natural way. Okay.
Now, as far as getting this product, is it a special order? I know you might have like a model to look at on the floor, Leslie.
We do. We have a working model, and it's one of the higher models that has all the features. And so it's nice to be able to see exactly all of the features that you could get, and then you can kind of pare it down from there if you don't want all of them.
All right, so people can come in and take a look at it. And
it's not in our bathroom.
Right, I was going to ask, you said working model. How working is this model?
It's on our showroom.
Okay.
It's a demo.
It's a demo, yeah. But it does work. It has actual water in it. And you have to put pressure on the seat because that's how it works. When the pressure comes off the seat, then it stops. And
that makes sense.
Yeah, so it takes it takes a couple minutes for the whole process to go through. So if you get impatient and you stand up before it's done, it'll stop. So you won't have a
and here we're looking at, this is the Pure Stream,
Pure Stream
system, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So I think what's nice about this, you don't need to. I first thought it was a whole toilet you had to take, but this one just
The seat.
like any kind of a seat, right? You
Yes.
bolt onto the back and you're good to go. And there are these controls that are on the side.
Yeah, and then the nozzle will come out when you press the button, and this is showing how Purestream work. And the water, it's a special design nozzle, come out a concentrated water jet.
Okay.
The water jet can penetrate it into the lower portion of our intestine and induce a smooth bowel movement. This is how it works.
Very good. Now, Leslie, let me ask you, as far as if somebody wants to order this, what's the turnaround time? Does it depend on the model? And I think the first question I have is, you know, we talked about nowadays there's toilets that are different.
Right.
There used to be kind of one,
Yes.
but there's ones that are more round, more, you know that. How long does that take, and do you have to find out what kind of toilet they have? And the other thing I wanted to ask is, this probably doesn't mean any, this probably doesn't affect it, but the low flush toilets.
Oh, that's a good question. I don't know if the flush has anything to do with it.
Because it's a separate water source. The water splits. One goes to the,
Yes,
one
we
goes
have
to the
the
tank,
T-valve.
one goes to,
Yes.
okay.
And
So
we-
then it probably doesn't matter.
Yes, and inside of the our toilet seats, we have a filter to make sure the water is clean.
Okay, very good. All right, so that's probably not going to be an issue. But I was curious about that. But then, yeah, you got a T valve that goes up. So
Yes.
you probably for that you got plenty of water pressure in there for something like that.
Yeah, it's adjustable.
Yeah.
You can choose the 5 levels.
Very good. Well, if you're interested in this, stop by Adapt-to-It. And of course, Adapt-to-It is right up the street and on the corner of Paseo de Valencia and El Toro. Of course, they have one in there, Newport, and you can go down there too. But I know the one here is much closer, and Leslie can help you out, and they'll have the model for you to look at. And if you have any questions, ask Leslie, and then she can give them over to Olivia,
Exactly.
who can give you a bit more detailed.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good to see. Nice to see you again.
Yes. Thank you. Same
Yeah,
here.
you've been on, let's see, 2 or 3 times, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, good to see you again. And you've been on 200 or 300 times.
As always.
As always, always good to see Leslie. And thank you again for coming
Thank
on.
you.
We appreciate it.
Thank
We'll
you.
be
Take
right
care.
back.
Have a good day.